Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2014 Ram 3500 Longhorn Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the true blue and I love this color. It looks fantastic. You do have your grille right up front here with your Ram logo, and you got that chrome accenting, as well as you do have some tow hooks down there to tow someone out of the ditch if you need to this season. You do have bifunction projector style headlights, and you also have your fog lights just down there. Now coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims with Firestone brand tires there, and there's tons of tread left on them. You'll be good for a long time, and those rims look awesome. They are the Longhorn rims. Now you do have the Longhorn badging right there with the heated exterior tow mirrors. So these guys do flip up. They do have the turning signals on them, and you can also push them up and they flip up just like that. Give you a little bit more vision. There we go. You got the running boards along the bottom there. Now coming around the back, we do have a 6-foot box back here. You got the Longhorn logo there again. You have your Ram logo and your 4x4, plus your backup camera hanging out right there. Now, as I said, it's a 6-foot box, and it does have the box liner on it. It looks great, and it won't be getting all scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate our remote start. Remote start is really nice, especially in the winter like it is right now. It'll get it nice and warm for you and all ready to go. Now, let's unlock and jump on in. Okay, on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here with a bit of that chrome accenting and that wood accenting right up here. You got the Ram logo. Got some stitching and some storage here, as well as some more down here. Now, it is a leather interior, and it looks great. It has these really nice stitching all over, lots of accents. The Longhorn edition right there. And you do have electric seat right here, so backward and forward, as well as you can lean back. You got your seat memory and your lumbar support. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights. So we got our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you push it in, you do have your fog lights and your in-cabin light control there. This guy here is the control of your high beams, your your windshield wipers, and your turning signals. And then this guy does bring the pedals closer or farther away. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our exhaust brake gauge. We have our engine temperature and our oil level. Now in the center there, it does also say how many kilometers we have, which is 50,000, which is not very many. Then you also have your vehicle speed, you have your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, you have your trailer tow, you have your audio, your stored messages, your screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. That is all controlled from right here, as well as your voice recognition and your call out button. Horn in the middle, and you do have your cruise control options on the other side right there. You do also have your gear shift right here. And around the back of the steering wheel, you have this guy, which is your volume up and down. And you have the same on the other side for your channel. Now, if you switch into reverse, you do have your backup camera, which, as you know, is super nice. Now, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. We have AM and FM, as well as Sirius XM. Then you also have your media tab here. So if you have one hooked up through USB, an aux cord, Bluetooth, or an SD card. Then you have your controls here for your heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer. Then you also have the same for the other side, heated seats and vented seats. You got your climate control here, so it is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have it set differently if you like different levels of heat. You got your navigation here. You can hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place, of course. And then you got your phone options. If you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, you can use all that there. Then you got your settings, you can change all of your stuff. Now, down here we do have our controls over our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and a 4-wheel low. And then we do have our volume up and down, our screen off, our hazard lights, and our back button, plus the browser. Then you have your AC, your circulation, heat up and down for dual climate. You have the power, you have the off, auto, then your defrosts there. Then down here we have our trailer. We have our traction control, our tow and haul mode, our exhaust brake, and our rear park assist. Plus you have heated seats, vent seats, heated steering wheel, and then the same for the other side. And you got a little plug-in right here as well. Then you got some storage in here. You have some cup holders, as well as you have a little place for your phone, another plug-in, and lots of storage in here as well. You got your center guy, which is your armrest, but it does double as a storage container. So you have some coin holders here, as well as you have your SD card slot, your aux cord, and 2 USB plugins. You can close that guy up, and it is dual layer, so there's the bottom as well. Lots and lots of room in there. You can keep all sorts of stuff. Then on the other side, we do have a dual glove box. We got the top and the bottom. Lots of room in these guys to put stuff. You also have your owner's manual there. And then right up top here, we do have the controls over our sunroof. This guy opens out the back, and this one is the universal garage door opener. So if we use this one, it just opens that guy right back there. Super nifty, get some airflow in here. Take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Now it's that same leather interior. You got that wood accenting as well as the chrome. You have the controls over your windows, a little bit of storage, some more down here. And then you do have lots of room, very warm back here. They are heated seats back here as well, so keep it warm. You got some storage back here with the nice little flaps. You can also lift these guys up just like this, and this guy can fold out and lay flat just like that. On the other side, it has the same guy. Under here, you do have some storage, and on the other side, there is your subwoofer. So if you're gonna blast some music, it'll sound real nice. You can also lay this guy down, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. You got some additional cup holders just down there. And then under the seat here, or under the floor mat, sorry, you do have a little storage container, and you do have an identical one on the other side as well. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. That does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Ram 3500 Longhorn. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.